Are you ready to upgrade your car to the next level? I know that you love your car, but with these gadgets, you'll love it even more. So get ready to unleash the full potential of your vehicle with these awesome gadgets. Buckle up, folks, because this game-changing gadget is about to take your driving experience to the next level of exhilaration. So imagine this. Your car transforms into a futuristic, semi-autonomous wonder that feels like something straight out of a sci-fi flick. Or we can say something like Tesla. So, what does this incredible device do? Well, imagine having your own personal co-pilot always there to lend a helping hand. This genius device combines cutting-edge hardware and clever software algorithms, transforming compatible vehicles into semi-autonomous wonders. It has 3 HDR cameras, 2 to watch the road and 1 night vision camera to see inside the car. Besides cameras, it has a suite of connectivity and sensors, including cellular LTE, Wi-Fi, and IMU, high-precision GPS, and microphones. Comma 3 is compatible with more than 250 cars. Next up is a device that is both a dashcam and a radar detector. The Cobra Road Scout Elite Dashcam is a 2-in-1 driver alert solution that combines radar detection and high-definition video recording in one compact device. The camera records full HD video and has advanced sensors that monitor and detect road conditions. The Cobra Dashcam also includes automatic speed-based filtering that intelligently reduces false alerts. Videos recorded the store location, date, and time to tell your side of the story in case of an accident or incident. Additionally, the dashcam has a wide-angle lens that captures a 154-degree view of the road, ensuring that you don't miss any important details while driving. This ingeniously designed pump eliminates the age-old woes of spills and mess, as it effortlessly facilitates the transfer of fuel from one container to another. With a 3.25-foot-long hose at its disposal, this cutting-edge creation boasts a remarkable liquid transfer rate of 2.4 gallons, or about 9 liters per minute. Now you can go wherever you want without worrying about fuel. It's like carrying a portable gas station with you. You can also keep it at home if you want to store some additional fuel in your garage. Kimblade Nano wiper blades are a revolutionary new type of wiper blade that are designed to provide superior performance and durability. Unlike traditional wiper blades, which use rubber blades that can wear out quickly and leave streaks on your windshield, Kimblade Nano wiper blades use a unique nano-coating technology that provides a smooth, streak-free wipe every time. The nano coating also helps to repel water, dirt, and other debris, which means that your windshield stays cleaner for longer. In addition, Kimblade Nano wiper blades are made from high-quality materials that are designed to withstand even the harshest weather conditions, so you can be confident that they will last for years to come. If you're looking for a wiper blade that provides superior performance and durability, then you might want to check this out. Our selection continues with the Advanced Road Emergency Signal, which is a revolutionary new device designed to improve safety on the road. It is a compact, battery-powered unit that can be easily stored in your car's glove compartment or trunk. In the event of an emergency, simply place the Aries on the roof of your car and activate it. The device emits a bright, flashing light that can be seen from up to a mile away, alerting other drivers to your presence and helping to prevent accidents. It is also equipped with a powerful magnet that allows it to be securely attached to the roof of your car, even in windy conditions. In addition, the device is waterproof and can be used in all weather conditions. The Aries is an essential safety device for anyone who spends time on the road, whether you're a daily commuter or a long-distance traveler. With its compact size, ease of use, and powerful signaling capabilities, it is a must-have for any emergency kit. Next, a tool for visual diagnostics of hard-to-reach places in your car, the Ullman Digital Diagnostic Mirror is a game-changer for anyone who works on cars or other machinery. This innovative tool combines a high-quality inspection mirror with a digital camera, allowing you to see into tight spaces and capture images and videos for later analysis. As someone who loves tinkering with cars and fixing things, I was blown away by the capabilities of this tool. The camera is incredibly clear and provides a detailed view of even the smallest components. Plus, the mirror is fully adjustable, so you can get the perfect angle every time. Whether you're a professional mechanic or an avid DIY enthusiast, this digital diagnostic mirror is a must-have tool. It will undoubtedly save you time and spare you from frustration. With its advanced features and user-friendly design, this camera is sure to become a staple in your toolbox. The reusable fueling glove is a useful tool for anyone who frequently handles fuel or other chemicals. This innovative glove is made from a durable, chemical-resistant material that can withstand exposure to a wide range of substances. The great thing is that it can be attached inside the car's fuel tank cover. Unlike disposable gloves, which can be wasteful and expensive, the reusable fueling glove can be used over and over again, making it a more sustainable and cost-effective option. How do you perfectly clean the undercarriage of your car? The answer is simple with the Mosmatic Undercarriage Cleaner Ramp. This innovative ramp is designed to elevate your vehicle, allowing you to easily access the undercarriage and clean it thoroughly. The ramp is made from high-quality materials that are built to withstand the weight of even the heaviest vehicles, and it features a non-slip surface that provides a secure grip for your tires. This ramp is incredibly easy to use, and it will save you time and effort while also helping to extend the life of your vehicle. It is designed to be attached to your high-pressure cleaning equipment. Next up is a device for anyone who wants to keep their parking spot reserved and secure. This innovative device is designed to automatically lock and unlock your parking spot, using advanced sensing technology to detect when your vehicle is present. The parking lock is incredibly easy to use, and it can be controlled using a remote or a smartphone app. With the automatic parking lock, you'll never have to worry about someone else taking your parking spot again. The device is built to withstand the elements, and it features a sleek, modern design that will complement any parking area. This innovative charger is designed to look like the iconic R2-D2 droid, complete with authentic sound effects and LED lights. The charger features 2 USB ports, allowing you to charge multiple devices at once, and it plugs directly into your car's cigarette lighter socket. As someone who loves Star Wars and enjoys adding unique touches to my car, you already know what my opinion is about this charger. It's a great conversation starter, and it adds a fun and playful element to my daily commute. This car charger is also incredibly practical, providing fast and efficient charging for all of my devices. If you're a pet owner who frequently travels with your furry companion, this is an essential item you won't want to be without. This innovative device is designed to attach to your car's seatbelt, providing a secure anchor point for your pet's harness. This ensures that your pet stays in place while you're driving, preventing them from jumping around or distracting you while you're behind the wheel. Next, a tool to provide extra support while going in or getting out of your vehicle. This portable handle is designed to fit securely into your car's door latch, providing a sturdy anchor point for you to hold on to as you enter or exit your vehicle. The device can be used in a variety of different ways, including as a seatbelt cutter and window breaker in an emergency. This makes it a great choice for anyone who wants to be prepared for any situation while on the road. And if you are a true petrol head, then you should be aware of this incredible keychain. With a gear shifter shape, this keychain is perfect for any car lover. I have had many keychains in the past, but I must admit that this one is my favorite. I hope that you like it too. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos of various tech and gadget reviews. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.